Are you struggling with dry hair that is ruining your style? Do you want to achieve healthy hair? Well, one of my subscribers has this issue, and if you have too, you have just clicked the right video. Dry hair is a real struggle. We've all been there. The breakage, the tangles, and the bad hair days. But today, I'm sharing what causes dryness and my personal tips and tricks for fixing dry hair and achieving the healthy, stylish look you want. Let's start with understanding what dry hair is and how to tell if you have it or not. Dry hair means your hair does not have enough natural oils and moisture, so it looks dull and lacks shine. Dry hair feels rough or brittle or seems frizzy and prone to breakage. You might also notice more split ends or find that your hair tangles easily. An itchy or flaky scalp can also indicate that your hair is dry, suggesting your scalp is not producing enough natural oils. If these issues sound familiar, your hair is likely dry and needs extra moisture and care. While anyone can have dry hair, men with curly or coily hair are more likely to experience it because the natural oils struggle to reach the ends of their hair. To check if your hair is dry, the next time you wash it, grab the ends of a strand between your fingers and gently pull. If the hair stretches and then snaps back to its original length, your hair is healthy. But if it stretches and doesn't bounce back, it is dry. Before solving this issue, it is necessary to understand the root cause of hair dryness. Like the rest of your body, the skin on your scalp produces sebum oil, which is really important for keeping your hair and scalp moisturized and hydrated. Since hair doesn't produce its own oil, it relies on sebum from the scalp. If your scalp does not produce enough oil, your hair can become dry. Many men think frequent shampooing will keep their hair cleaner, but that's not true. Over-shampooing can actually strip away the natural oils that your scalp produces. This is particularly harmful for men with curly hair, as too much shampooing can lead to extreme dryness. Another major factor contributing to extremely dry hair is the overuse of hair products. Many men use gels, pomades, and waxes daily. These products often contain alcohol and other harsh chemicals that strip the hair of its natural oils, leaving your hair dry and damaged. Heat styling tools like hair dryness and straighteners can be very damaging to your hair too. These tools apply heat that can break down the protective cuticle, leaving your hair dull over time. Washing your hair with hot water can have a similar effect as using heat styling tools. The high temperature can damage the cuticle, making your hair more prone to dryness and breakage. Moreover, men who spend a lot of time outdoors are at a higher risk of dry hair because UV rays from the sun can damage the hair's protective cuticle. The cuticle helps lock in moisture, but when it is damaged, your hair becomes more vulnerable to dryness, dullness, and breakage. Coloring your hair can also lead to dryness. The chemicals in hair dye, especially bleach, can break down the protein structure in your hair, making it more damaged and dry. Your thyroid gland regulates various functions in your body, including hair growth. If you have an underactive thyroid, it can slow down your hair growth and make your hair dry. Regular exposure to chlorinated water, such as in swimming pools, can strip the natural oils from your hair, leaving it dry and lifeless. It is important to understand all causes of hair dryness and think, what is the main cause of dryness? Now, let's see some solutions to make your hair healthy and shiny. The first one is, of course, selecting the right shampoo and conditioner. Look for products specifically formulated for dry hair. Keratin shampoo can be a game changer for dry hair. Keratin is a protein that naturally occurs in your hair. And when your hair becomes dry, it often means that it has lost some of its natural keratin. Using a keratin shampoo helps restore this protein, making your hair stronger, smoother, and less prone to breakage. This not only helps to reduce frizz and add shine, but also makes your hair softer and more manageable. Some of you may be questioning, Ali, keratin shampoos are really expensive. Well, you can try sulfate-free shampoo instead. And if you want an even more affordable option, go for moisturizing shampoo. Even sulfate-free shampoo can do wonders for your dry hair, as sulfates can strip your hair of its natural oils, making it even drier. Sulfate-free shampoos are gentle and help to maintain your hair's natural moisture balance, and moisturizing shampoos contain moisturizing ingredients like shea butter, argan oil, or glycerin, which help to replenish lost moisture and improve hair texture. Pair your shampoo with a rich, hydrating conditioner. Apply the conditioner to the ends and ends of your hair, and leave it on for a few minutes to let it deeply penetrate and and hydrate your hair. Sun exposure can also affect your hair's moisture levels. Use a leave-in conditioner with UV protection to protect your hair from the sun's harmful UV rays. You can also wear a hat or a scarf when you're out in the sun for extended periods. Deep conditioning treatments can also do wonders by restoring moisture and repairing damage. These treatments are more concentrated than regular conditioners and can provide your hair with intense hydration and nourishment. Use a deep conditioning mask once a week or every 2 weeks, depending on how dry your hair is. There are various options available, from store-bought masks to DIY treatments. I suggest you to use my all-time favorite avocado hydration mask. You can use ingredients like coconut oil, honey, and avocado for this DIY mask. Coconut oil is known for penetrating the hair shaft and providing deep moisture. Honey is a natural moistening agent, drawing moisture into your hair, while avocado is rich in vitamins and fatty acids that nourish and condition. To use, blend these ingredients into a smooth paste, apply it to damp hair, and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing, and you're good to go. Washing your hair frequently can strip it of natural oils, leading to increased dryness, which I am sure you don't want. Try to reduce the frequency of washing to 2 or 3 times a week. On non-wash days, you can use a dry shampoo to absorb excess oil and refresh your hair. Dry shampoo can help extend the life of your hairstyle and keep your hair looking clean without stripping it of moisture. Hot water can also strip your hair of its natural oils, making it more prone to dryness and damage. Wash your hair with lukewarm water instead of hot water. Lukewarm water is gentler and helps to maintain your hair's moisture balance. After washing your hair, it is tempting to give it a good rub down with a towel to dry it off quickly. However, this can cause friction and lead to breakage and frizz, especially if your hair is already dry and fragile. Instead, gently pat your hair with a soft towel, or even better, use a microfiber towel or an old t-shirt. These materials are gentler on your hair and help to reduce frizz. Allow your hair to air dry as much as possible before using styling tools. Heat styling tools like blow dryers, straighteners, and curling irons can contribute to dry and damaged hair. Heat can weaken the hair cuticle and cause moisture loss. To protect your hair from heat damage, always use a heat protectant serum before styling. Heat protectants create a barrier between your hair and the heat, reducing the risk of damage. If you must use heat tools, try to use them on the lowest effective temperature setting. Regular trims are really important for maintaining healthy hair, especially if you're dealing with dryness. Dry hair is more prone to split ends, which can travel up the hair shaft and cause more damage. I recommend getting a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to remove split ends and prevent further damage. While it might seem stupid to cut your hair when you're trying to grow it out, but regular trims actually promote healthier hair growth by preventing breakage and keeping your hair looking its best. Your diet also impacts your hair health. Eat foods that are rich in essential vitamins and minerals. For example, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are excellent sources for omega-3 fatty acids, which support scalp health and reduce dryness. Nuts and seeds such as almonds and flax seeds are rich in vitamins and healthy fats that contribute to healthy hair. Leafy greens, berries, and citrus fruits provide essential vitamins like A, C, and E, which are important for maintaining hair health. In addition to a healthy diet, hair vitamins and supplements can provide extra nutrients your hair needs to stay healthy and hydrated. Look for supplements that contain biotin, vitamin D, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids, as these are all known to support hair health. Biotin, in particular, is often recommended for improving hair strength and thickness. Omega-3 fatty acids help to nourish the scalp and prevent dryness. However, it is important to consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplements to ensure they are right for you. Fixing dry hair is a journey, and consistency is key. With time and care, you can restore moisture and achieve the healthy, vibrant hair you desire. After dryness, you may need to grow your hair and maybe get a flow hairstyle. If so, watch out this amazing video where I've explained everything.